In this video, you'll learn how to fill orders quickly without using an API for eBay dropshipping. This guide will help you streamline your order processing and improve efficiency, ensuring that you meet customer expectations in a timely manner. Start by organizing your orders effectively. Check for new orders frequently throughout the day to ensure that none are left unprocessed. It is beneficial to maintain a spreadsheet that lists the item supplier link and buyer details for quick access. By sorting orders by supplier, you can place multiple purchases efficiently. Additionally, highlight urgent shipments to prioritize those orders. Prepare saved addresses and payment information in advance to facilitate a faster checkout process. A well-organized system significantly reduces processing time. Next, focus on purchasing items quickly. Open supplier pages ahead of time so that you can complete the checkout process rapidly after a sale. Pay careful attention when copying buyer shipping details to avoid any mistakes. Selecting the fastest affordable shipping method is crucial to meet your handling time requirements. Before confirming the order, double-check the product variant to ensure accuracy. It is also important to save confirmation receipts immediately after purchase, as speed in this step helps maintain on-time shipment metrics. After placing orders, it is essential to upload tracking information promptly. Monitor supplier confirmations closely to capture tracking numbers as soon as they become available. Once you have the tracking number, enter it manually into the order details right away before submitting. Verify the accuracy of the carrier information. It is advisable to recheck your orders daily for any missing tracking details. Notify buyers once their shipment is confirmed, as fast updates enhance customer trust and satisfaction. Throughout this process, be mindful of your internet speed and the size of the files you are managing. Large files may take longer to upload, and a slow internet connection can delay your order processing. Always verify the available storage space on your device, as running out of storage can hinder your ability to save essential documents and confirmations. Keeping these factors in mind can help you maintain a smooth workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.